Hey guys, we have an earlobe repair for you today. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, so I understand you're enlisting.
I am.
So let's all shout out here to our defender-to-be. That is super awesome. So as part of the, there's a requirement that I've heard a lot of times before, and the requirement is?
That have, really depends on which one I choose, either a pencil width or light, so for flashlights, and you can't have bright shine to it.
So what we're really going to do is also take care of her gauge. And so with some gauges I need to do fancy flaps because it's so stretched out. On hers we're just going to do a wedge earlobe reduction and that'll take care of everything. So this is an interesting way of closing earlobe. The most important part is to get the bottom edge exactly right so we don't get a cleft in there. We're going to get it all closed. We use all dissolvable suture, but we'll still take out the majority of it in 7 to 10 days. Now we're going to go back to the operating room, or a procedure room, not a real operating room. We get it numbed up, and the worst part of that will be the better grocery bag.
I'm excited.
Oh good, let's share it.
Perfect. Hi, Juicy J.
Hi.
How's it going? Yeah. Hey.
Alright, so this is called supercut straight irises. They're supercuts. The black handle tells you that. You probably can't see this, it's because they're serrated. And that serration is what makes it what we call supercut scissors. Perfect for skin.
So I heard you have a dumb joke?
I do. Okay, dumb joke number 1. My daughter Mira. What do you call a pile of kittens?
And it's not Johnny sauce.
Right.
What do you call a pile of kittens?
A meow.
Oh, boo.
I
Okay, so we can see here we have the entire tract out, and it's important whenever we do even a small piercing reduction that we get the entire kind of belly button or donut hole out of there so there's no skin left. That way we're going to be closing a raw edge to a raw edge and we'll heal perfectly. So we are starting with the deep layer of sutures. Then this deep layer will help make sure the tissues come together really well and heal really strong so that you can pass the flashlight, pencil. Say, what do you call an alligator in a vest?
Oh, I didn't know this one.
I think I told you before. It's an investigation.
Somebody
get this so afraid I'm gonna throw up.
So you can see by the beginnings of the deep layer done. We're going to do one more deep layer stitch, and then we're going to start working on the superficial layer. The idea is the superficial layer really shouldn't bear any of the load. It should just be the deep. So on the bottom edge, we're going to do what's called a macro suture. I'm going to keep that. And what that's going to do is get our bottom edge perfectly everted so that the edges don't depress in the heel.
Lay it on us.
Alright.
Oh, that's amazing.
That is amazing.
Alright. What's the difference between a piano, tuna, and glue?
Okay, tell us.
Okay. You can tune a piano, but you can't piano tune.
That is not where I thought that was going.
No?
But,
See, I fell for it.
You guys haven't.
So we missed the punchline. What'd you say, Julie?
what does that have to do with the...
You should get stuck on that.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Stupid, but that's
And I need to tune it all out.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are done. We have a multi-layered closure, which is the best way to do this. Surface looks perfect. And this is intentional. This little bit of a ridge that we create is so that when this heals, it'll be a perfect edge in the end, not a depression.
well.
Totally closed, and they do purple earlobes.
Aw, that's so cute.
Cute earlobes.
They're